ClickOnCare.com.
Today we are going to review Miss D Sun. It's a sunscreen lotion. It comes in 60 ml package and it comes in SPF 50 and the protection is PA+++, that is triple plus. Now let's see the benefits of this product. So this sunscreen, it gives protection against UVA rays and also UVB rays. It prevents sunburn, tanning of skin, hyper-pigmentation and premature aging of the skin, and also gives skin hydration, that is it moisturizes the skin. So the directions for the use. This sunscreen should be applied before 20 to 30 minutes of sun exposure, and it should be used by adults and children who are above 6 months of age. This lotion should be applied on the exposed areas of skin before sun evenly in circular motion. And to give adequate protection, reapply the product after every 2 to 3 hours. The ingredients which is being used in this product is that octinoxate, oxybenzone, avobenzone, octocyrylene, zinc oxide and excipients. This product is being marketed by Acumentis Healthcare Limited. Let's unbox. So this is how it looks like.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and